we'll now turn to the second segment of our program, which is, we call it Aaron Picks and Pans.
Okay.
I mean, that's not original. I think I saw that on one of those, either CNBC or Fox. One of the two, I guess, left, right,
Okay.
who knows. Okay, Aaron, are you a buyer of hard assets like land, gold, and
Yeah, I'll tell
silver? Silver's at record prices.
It is.
Gold is too. So.
Gold, we're a buyer as a hedge. And we've always said we hope we don't make money there.
Yeah, okay.
But you just don't know with our pure paper money that our monetary system is built on, where they can create unlimited amounts of money. And you don't know when the confidence may wane in that money. So hence, we're going to hedge our portfolios with gold. I think here locally, and I don't know if our listeners or anyone has looked at Thomas Honig's comments about farmland.
Yeah.
The Fed is very nervous about farmland being overpriced.
Right.
And so when you look at rents or price to rent ratios on farmland, they're certainly above historic levels. And historically, when interest rates go up, farmland comes down as well. Even if we have high crop prices stay there. So I'm a little worried there.
So maybe some bubble in that ag land prices.
And how much, for either one of you, how much bubble in the ag land prices is built in because of farm subsidies, which I don't think will change before the next presidential election, but I think eventually, as we start trying to cut back government spending, farm subsidies are clearly going to be a target of.
Isn't it amazing to go after the oil companies,
Right.
Yeah.
but no mention of the farmers
Yeah.
and the farm subsidies out there?
Careful,
But are there
careful.
some-
I own ADM.
Are those subsidies driving ag land prices?
Oh, absolutely. There's no question that when 30 to 40% of your corn goes to ethanol, that's as you and I have talked, Tony. What do we? It's a law of supply and demand.
That's right.
Not a good idea.
Yeah.
I think I've used that one before. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I mean, but in this window we're in right now, I still don't see the air coming out of the ag bubble right now. I mean, as you're saying, we're just, everybody's on alternative energy, pushing. The Fed says they're not raising short-term rates. They're going to end QE2 in June. That's still supportive. Weak dollar, strong ag prices.
I talked to a local banker in Iowa this past week, said that he has customers that have come in and paid off all of their debts. That's never happened in really the history.
Yeah, it's not. This is not a
that they have.
return to the '80s where the bubble burst and there's devastation.
That's right.
It's the bubble. The air is going to come out of the bubble. Farmers are real. I won't say fat. There are no fat farmers.
Right, but yeah,
A lot of our
they haven't
audience is
leveraged
farmers.
up their
Right.
land.
They're lean farmers.
Right.
That's right. They haven't leveraged.
That's right. Well,
So-
where else you see? I see opportunities. I mean, I'm like you. I don't even hedge on gold and steel. Gold and silver, and I missed opportunities. I don't have it.
I still think quality stocks, dividend-paying stocks, I think.
How about Cisco?
are
Cisco's
important.
now paying dividends, and I've been betting on Cisco for a long time, and I've been wrong for a long
Yeah,
time.
same thing with Microsoft. I'm
Yeah,
sure.
Microsoft.
Same kind of situation.
Has
It's a value
Cisco moved into has taken Microsoft's place? Microsoft took IBM's place. IBM wised up. Now we're seeing that. Yes.
Another area we're seeing value is commercial real estate.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so you've got good quality properties with good in-place cash flow with distressed owners that need to get rid of these things, and especially in the smaller market type real estate, strip malls, grocery store anchored.
So buy
drugstore.
REITs.
Well, that's where the public REITs seem to be overpriced already.
Okay.
So to get access to this, I'm talking more private type investments,
Buy your own,
non-traded REITs or LLCs or LPs where you're actually giving them money to go out and buy
I
these
hate to
properties.
say this, but I've gone into auction, www.auction.com, and bid, and actually successfully bid on some land in another state. Tony, I mean,
I think that's a good strategy. I think the place that I see opportunities in technology.
well, you sort of go back and forth.
Yeah,
on
I think
technology.
that technology is really rebounding. I think that not only in information technology like IBM, Accenture, but I think there's opportunities at GE, United Technologies, Motorola, communications hardware.
Oh,
I
what
think
about Cisco?
Well, I think Cisco. Yeah.
I've been long on Cisco for so long. I'm about to get short. That's when you know it's going to turn around when I short Cisco.